Yes, it is possible to make $12,000 off a million views on YouTube. My Top 20 Outlook 2016 Tips and Tricks video made $12,090 from July 24th, 2018 to October 8th, 2019. It ended up being exactly 1,818 views and $12,090.01 during that period. For the lifetime of the video, it has 1,358,575 views at $15,325.54, which translates to $11,281 per million. Taking a look at another video, my Top 25 Excel 2016 Tips and Tricks has a total of 2,079,659 views with revenues of $19,691.40, which translates to $9,469 per million. And looking again at another video, my Top 15 Advanced Excel 2016 Tips and Tricks video has a total of 1,635,787 views for $14,621 in revenue, and that translates to $8,938 per million views. If you combine all three of these videos, it totals 5,074,021 views with revenues of $49,638.32. That translates to $9,783 per million views. Now, these videos are very good performing videos, and they've gotten a lot of exposure as the #1 ranked videos on YouTube in their category. And so you can expect to have a higher dollar amount for those, and the fact that they're educational training videos, they continue to perform a year and a half after they were first created. But it is very possible to make $12,000 per million views on YouTube. Hey, if you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe. And if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click the thumbs up and leave a comment. I really do appreciate your support.